Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is Dioscorea and today we are going to discuss about the chemical constituent of Dioscorea. It contains steroidal saponin glycoside diosine and its aglycone is diosgenin. Small quantity of hecogenin is also present in the drug. Resin, it contains resin, that is botagenin, it is a resin which is present in the drug. Alkaloids, diascorin, it is a alkaloidal content which is present in the drug. Sterol, cholesterol, sigmasterol and P-cytosterol, all these are the sterols which are present in the drug. So these are the important chemical constituent from the drug. This one is the structure of diasgenin. Diasgenin, it is a spirostan and which is substituted at with hydroxyl group at third position. This one is the hydroxyl group at third position and there will be a double bond between fifth and sixth position, and at 25th position there will be R configuration. The methyl group is attached at 25th position. This is about the chemical structure of diasgenin. It is a hexacyclic compound. You can see here 6 hexacyclic rings are there. It is a hexacyclic structure and having OH group at third position, double bond at fifth and sixth position, and at 25th position there will be R configuration. Now this one is the structure of diosine. You can see here this one is the structure of diosine. In case of diosine there will be attachment, that is glycosidic linkage is there at beta 3 position. This one is the third position, and here beta D glucose is attached, glucose molecule is attached at third position of diasgenin. This one is the structure of diasgenin, and to that the glycoside is attached. It is a glycoside and which is attached at the third position. This one is the O glycoside linkage. O type of glycoside is there and it is attached at third position. This is about the structure of diosine, which is a spirostanil glycoside. This one is the structure of hecogenin, which is a triterpenoid. It is a triterpenoid structure. Now uses of diasgenin. Dioscorea, delta di, it is a medicinal plant and which valued for its high content of steroidal glycoside. It contains high amount of steroidal glycoside and which is used for that purpose, and it is having cardioprotective and immunomodulatory activity. So it contains important constituents such as diasgenin, diasgenin, which is used as a precursor for synthesis of many steroidal drugs like corticosteroid, sex hormones, and oral contraceptive. Before synthesis of these steroidal drug, it is isolated, and for isolation of diasgenin, the tubers are taken, dried tubers are taken, then they are powdered. After powdering the dry tubers, then the acid hydrolysis is done by using mineral acid, and when the acid hydrolysis will occur, that will result into two moieties. One is glucose and second one is glycon. Glucose moiety and glycon moiety. Glucose moiety is diosine, which is a steroidal glycoside, and another one is diasgenin. Now here two precursors are formed, diasgenin and diosine. That diasgenin now it is extracted by using non-polar solvent like benzene or ether are used for its extraction. After extraction, then the isolated diasgenin that will be degraded and that will degrade into 16-dehydro pregnenolone acetate, and from that now precursors, from that molecule which is used as a precursor for synthesis of corticosteroids, sex hormones, and oral contraceptive. Apart from that, it is also used in treatment of rheumatism. Rheumatism, it is the disease where there is inflammation of joint and due to inflammation of the inflammation of joint will occur due to release of pro-inflammatory cytokines are released, and due to which the inflammation will occur. And that diastenin, it is a steroidal drug, and which inhibit the release of that pro-inflammatory cytokines, and thus it will gives anti-rheumatic effect. Diosyn, it is used as a anti-tumor agent. That Diosyn, it will exert its anti-tumor effect through intrinsic mitochondrial apoptosis. Apoptosis means programmed cell death. The cell will die due to apoptosis. What the diosyn will do? Diosyn will reduce the anti-apoptic proteins, so there will be no synthesis of that anti-apoptic proteins, and due to which the programmed cell death will occur, apoptosis will occur, and it will kill the cancer cell. And in some cancer cell also, the extrinsic death receptor pathway is also activated by diosyn, and thus it will give its anti-tumor effect or anti-cancer effect. Second one is, it is used in hyperuricemia. Hyperuricemia is the condition in which there will be increase of uric acid in blood, and that uric acid which is present in the blood, which is get excreted through urine and feces, resulting in overproduction of uric acid, which due to lower down of excretion through the kidney. When the kidneys are not excreting that uric acid properly, it will lower down the excretion. Then naturally the uric acid concentration in blood will increase. What the drug will do? Diosyn will reduce the uric acid level in the blood, and it will facilitate the urate clearance. How it will facilitate urate clearance? It will suppress the urate transport. Due to suppression of urate transport, it will lower down the uric acid concentration in the blood, and it will increase the excretion of uric acid through urine, and thus it will be used in treatment of hyperuricemia. Next one is hepatoprotective agent. It is used as or act as a hepatoprotective agent. Hepatic fibrosis, that will be caused due to excessive stress on liver. When there will be excessive stress on liver, it will cause hepatic fibrosis, or it will cause fatty liver condition. So and that will result into excessive accumulation of extracellular matrix, and when there will be excessive accumulation of extracellular matrix, it will result into cirrhosis, and that will be related with the associated with higher morbidity and mortality. Now what the diosyn will do? Diosyn will significantly inhibit the synthesis of proteins of extracellular matrix. It will inhibit the synthesis of proteins of extracellular matrix, and that will result into degradation of extracellular matrix, and thus it will give its hepatoprotective activity. So these are the uses of Dioscorea, which contain mainly diastenin and diosyn. These are the important chemical constituent, and they are used in treatment of various type of condition or various diseases. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.